The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks is a compelling non-fiction work by Rebecca Skloot that tells the story of Henrietta Lacks, a poor African-American woman who unknowingly contributed her cancer cells to science. These cells, known as HeLa cells, became the first immortal human cell line and have played a crucial role in numerous scientific breakthroughs. Through extensive research and interviews with the Lacks family, Skloot expertly weaves together the personal, scientific, and ethical dimensions of this remarkable tale. Henrietta Lacks was born in 1920 in Roanoke, Virginia, and later moved to Turner Station, Maryland. In 1951, she was diagnosed with an aggressive form of cervical cancer at the age of 31. During her treatment at Johns Hopkins Hospital, Dr. George Guy, a scientist working on human cell cultures, took a sample of her cancerous tissue without her knowledge or consent. Henrietta passed away that same year, leaving behind her husband and 5 young children. The HeLa cells, named after the first 2 letters of Henrietta's first and last name, were unique because they could divide and multiply indefinitely in a laboratory setting. This trait made them invaluable for scientific research, as they provided a consistent and reliable source of human cells. Over the decades, HeLa cells have been instrumental in a wide range of scientific advancements, including the development of the polio vaccine, gene mapping, cloning, and cancer research. They have also been bought, sold, and shipped around the world, generating significant profits for biotechnology companies. The book also explores the Lacks family's reaction to discovering the truth about Henrietta's cells. For years, they were unaware of the HeLa cell line's existence and its widespread use in scientific research. When they finally learned about it, they struggled with feelings of betrayal, confusion, and anger. The family had not benefited financially from the commercialization of HeLa cells, and they faced numerous challenges, including poverty and limited access to healthcare. Skloot's narrative highlights the ethical dilemmas that arise from the commercialization of human biological materials and the importance of informed consent. The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks delves into the history of scientific research involving human subjects, particularly African Americans. The book discusses the Tuskegee syphilis study, a notorious research project that involved withholding treatment from African American men with syphilis, further underscoring the ethical issues surrounding the use of Henrietta's cells. Skloot also examines how the Lacks family's story influenced the development of laws and regulations governing the use of human tissues in research. The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks is a must-read for anyone interested in the intersection of science, ethics, and human rights. Skloot's thorough research and compassionate storytelling bring Henrietta's story to life, shedding light on a fascinating but often overlooked aspect of scientific history. The book raises thought-provoking questions about the ownership of human tissue, the ethics of informed consent, and the extent to which individuals and their families should have control over the use of their biological materials. This book is not only a riveting account of Henrietta Lacks and her immortal cells but also an exploration of the impact of scientific discovery on the individuals involved. Skloot's work serves as a reminder of the importance of considering the human side of scientific advancement and the necessity for ethical practices in research. Readers from various backgrounds, including science, history, and bioethics, will find The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks both enlightening and engaging. We highly recommend giving it a read, and when you do, be sure to share your thoughts with us in the comments. Happy reading!